Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how to connect your Replit project to GitHub step by step. First, open your project in Replit. Make sure you're inside the editor view, not on the Replit home dashboard. On the left side, look at the top of the File Explorer and click the ++ icon. A small menu will appear. From this menu, select Git. This will open the version control setup for your project. If your project already has a local Git repository, you may see existing commits. Don't worry, you can still connect it to GitHub. Next, click the Connect to GitHub button. This will open GitHub in a new tab or window, where you'll be asked to authorize Replit. You don't need to create anything manually. Replit already has an official GitHub app. Once authorized, choose an existing repository or create a new one, then link it. After that, Replit will display options like commit, push, and pull. And that's it. Your Replit project is now successfully connected to GitHub. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.